Big news for Apple fans. Apple revealed details of several upcoming products after releasing a software tool last week, and people have noticed that they might have new softwares or devices. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. With Apple's annual launch event just around the corner, fans are excited for the new hardwares that are about to be revealed with it. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple is ready to take the market with new chips and softwares which we can see later this year. The reports say that Apple's currently working for a new HomePod Mini, which is expected to have an S9 chip or even a newer version. Not only this, but Apple's also set to launch Apple TV with a powerful A17 Pro chip. We can get this product by autumn. Reports have also claimed that Apple's currently working on a new studio display which will have A19 Pro chip that will make a significant improve in performance for professional users. Apple's also set to release a low-cost iPad with an A18 chip along with the new iPad mini with an A19 Pro chip, which is expected to be launched. And that's not all. Apple's also testing upgraded versions of the Vision Pro headset, with models expected to feature either the M4 or the M5 chip, which is yet to be released. That's a whole list we have to wait for. According to Gurman's findings on his newsletter, HomePod Mini and Apple TV will be launched in the second half of this year. However, the iPads won't be out until the next year, and about the display, that's still a secret. If the leaks are accurate, we can see the clearest glimpse yet into Apple's hardware roadmap. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.